In this video, I'll guide you through how to close a position in the Moomoo app. Whether you're new to trading or just need a refresher, I'm here to make the process straightforward and easy to follow. First things first, open the Moomoo app on your device and log in with your credentials. This ensures that you have access to your trading account and can manage your positions effectively. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Accounts section. You can find this option conveniently located at the bottom of your screen. Tapping on it will take you to the area where all of your financial activities are centralized. After you're in the Accounts section, scroll down to view your current positions. This part of the app displays all the stocks you currently hold, along with their performance information. Take a moment here to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's always good to know exactly where you stand before making any trades. Now, focus on the specific stock position you wish to close. Once you've identified it, tap on that stock position. This action will take you to a more detailed view of the stock, providing additional information that might be useful for making your decision. To proceed with closing your position, tap on the Trade button. This is your gateway to managing your trades, and it's here that you'll find the tools you need for selling your stocks. After tapping Trade, select Sell from the options. Choosing Sell indicates that you want to offload your current holdings in that particular stock. Next, you'll need to make some decisions about your trading session and order type. Moomoo offers flexibility here, allowing you to choose between different trading sessions as well as order types like market or limit. A market order will sell your shares at the current market price, which is quick and straightforward. On the other hand, a limit order lets you set a specific price at which you're willing to sell, offering more control over your trade. Once you've selected the order type, it's time to enter the price and quantity you wish to sell. Be sure to double-check these details to ensure they align with your trading strategy and financial goals. Accuracy here is crucial, as it could impact your overall returns. After entering all the necessary information, take a moment to review your order details carefully. This is your chance to make sure everything is exactly as you intended before executing the trade. Confirming that all details are correct can save you from potential errors and ensure a smooth transaction. Finally, tap Sell and confirm the transaction with your password. This step finalizes your decision and initiates the process of closing your position. That's it. Your position will be closed on Moomoo. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your stock portfolio and make informed trading decisions. Thank you for watching and happy trading.